Good morning, everyone. Once again, it's great to be connected via these morning snippets. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell button. Seek to find. Seeking is all about actioning what your thoughts, dreams, and aspirations are. Seeking is finding meaning to your dreams. Seeking is searching. Seeking is exploring. Seeking enables you to find what you're looking for. If you never attempt to seek something, there is no chance you could ever find what you're looking for. Seeking is translating your goals, dreams, and aspirations into the first step of actionable items. Seeking is standing up from your comfort zone. Jesus once said, "You need to seek and you will find." What is the purpose of my life? How can I achieve this? What is my next big thing in my career? Those are some of the things which always come up across our minds. But unless we seek to find the meaning of our life, the purpose of our life, the next big thing in our career, unless we seek to pursue what we want to do, we could never find the ultimate purpose of our lives. Seeking is committing ourselves totally for the task ahead. Next is dedication. Dedication is all about enabling us to action what we have committed for. The third thing is persevering. Persistently holding on to the dreams and aspirations and seeking to find ways in order to achieve them. So unless you seek, you will never be able to find what you're looking for. Sometimes the journey might take months, it might take years, but we need to continue to seek. Seeking is the driving force or the first actionable item which is there in order to find what we are looking for. You will never ever fail when you start seeking for what you really want to achieve. Hope you have a great day, guys. God bless you all.